Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on counting back. Counting back can be a very useful strategy to help us solve simple subtraction problems. Many students have no difficulty when it comes to counting in the normal manner. However, being able to count backwards from any given number is a very useful skill which can be used in a number of situations. Consider the following number line. Here is the number line. Focus on the red circle on the number 8. Now count backwards to the left 5 places. How did you go? Okay, let's have a look. Counting backwards 5 places from the number 8 can be done in 2 different ways. Here is the first way. Put your finger on the number 8 and do the following. Go to 7 and count 1. Shift your finger to 6 and count 2. Shift your finger to 5 and count 3. Shift your finger to 4 and count 4. Shift your finger to 3 and count 5. What number did you land on? 3. So there's your answer. So let's look at the next way. I have reproduced the number line below for ease of reference. Now here's the second way. Think of the number 8 in your head. Then count 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. The answer is still 3 because that is the last number. Your hand can help you keep track that you have counted back only 5 times. So when you keep the 8 in your head, you know that 7 is the number before the 8, and you just keep going backwards. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. You know you've only gone back 5 places because you've got 5 fingers up. We're counting the thumb as a finger. Some practical examples from everyday life. What number is 4 less than 7? Count back 4 numbers to the left of 7. 6, 5, 4, 3. The answer is 3. Bill had 9 marbles, but Mary had 3 less. How many does Mary have? So if Bill had 9 marbles, just count back 3 places from 9. So you go 8, 7, 6. So Mary has 6 marbles. So just as in the previous video, we can do the same type of thing here. For the above board game, there is a square red marker which has 6 spaces behind the blue marker. Where is the square red marker? So let's go 6 spaces back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so here is our square red marker. There it is there. The next one. Find the numbered square which is 4 spaces behind the yellow triangular marker. Behind the yellow triangular marker. So here's the yellow triangular marker, and it's 4 spaces behind. So if you like, the easy way to do it is just to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can see that the answer is 3. But the clever way to do it is to put 4 markers up, because you know you're only going to have to count 4 spaces back. In your mind, remember the number 7, and just go 6, 5, 4, 3. And the answer is still 3. So this video has given you some practice in counting backwards using numbers, and we've also seen how it can be done on some board games.